Professional spray tanning equipment is a significant investment. Fortunately, most equipment problems can be prevented through routine maintenance and simple inspections. In this lesson, we'll cover the essential maintenance practices that keep your equipment performing reliably and help you solve common problems when they occur. Regular maintenance improves spray performance, extends equipment life, reduces costly repairs, and minimizes service interruptions. Just as important, clean equipment helps ensure a professional client experience and reduces the risk of contamination. Many equipment failures aren't actually equipment failures at all. They're often caused by dried solution, clogged nozzles, dirty filters, loose fittings, or skipped cleaning procedures. Preventative maintenance solves most problems before they start. The spray gun is the component that requires the most attention. At the end of each day, empty any remaining solution, rinse the cup thoroughly, and flush warm water through the gun until the spray runs clear. Never leave tanning solution in the spray gun cup for extended periods. As solution dries, it can create buildup that clogs passages, restricts flow, and contributes to poor spray quality. Also, the solution will begin to oxidize because a spray gun is not a completely sealed system. It's best to have an extra gun cup and lid for storage of the solution rather than pour back into the main container. At least once per week, disassemble the spray gun according to manufacturer instructions. Clean the needle, nozzle, air cap, and fluid passages to remove any residue that daily flushing may miss. O-rings and seals help maintain proper airflow and fluid control. Periodically inspect them for wear, cracking, or damage. If your manufacturer recommends lubrication, use only approved products. The turbine supplies the airflow that powers the spray system. Dirty filters restrict airflow, reduce atomization quality, and can place unnecessary stress on the motor. Inspect filters regularly and clean or replace them according to manufacturer recommendations. If your spray gun begins spitting or producing an uneven pattern, the most likely cause is a partially clogged nozzle or needle. Thorough cleaning is usually the first and most effective solution. If the gun isn't spraying at all, check for dried solution blockages, empty cups, blocked nozzles, or disconnected air supply. Start with the simplest possibilities before assuming a major equipment failure. Weak airflow is often caused by dirty filters, restricted hoses, or loose connections. Inspect the entire air path before assuming there is a turbine problem. Solution leaks are often caused by loose fittings, worn seals, or damaged O-rings. Excessive turbine noise may indicate dirty filters, airflow restrictions, or mechanical wear. Investigate these issues early before they become larger problems. A simple maintenance routine goes a long way. Daily, rinse and flush the gun. Weekly, deep clean the gun and inspect filters and hoses. Monthly, perform a thorough inspection of seals, fittings, and overall equipment performance. Most equipment problems are preventable. Regular cleaning, filter maintenance, and routine inspections will improve reliability, extend equipment life, and help ensure consistent spray tan results. A few minutes of maintenance today can prevent hours of troubleshooting tomorrow.